Welcome to our tutorial on creating your very own custom-named .lewd wallet. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, please note that this guide is intended for advanced users familiar with the WAXP blockchain. Managing and owning your keys is your sole responsibility, and it is crucial to safeguard them diligently. Losing access or having your keys compromised will lead to permanent and irreversible loss of assets. We recommend that after creating your wallet, you should initially transact with NFTs of lower value to get accustomed to its functionalities. This practice ensures you're comfortable with the operations of your wallet and confirms everything is working correctly before handling anything of significant value. Let's get started. Step 1 involves generating your key pairs using the Anchor wallet. Open Anchor and navigate to the Tools section on the sidebar. Here, click on Manage Keys, then select Generate Key Pairs and hit Generate Pair. You've now created 2 essential pairs of keys. Copy these to your clipboard and securely paste them into a document. Remember to label the first pair as Owner and the second as Active. Storing these keys in a secure location is critical to ensure your assets remain safe and accessible only to you. Moving on to Step 2, you'll need the Lewd Wallet NFT. This special NFT can be claimed for free on Nifty Blocks if you're the proud owner of a Lewdy or possess 22 NFTs from the Lewd Momoko 22 collection. Alongside this, you must have 5 WAXP tokens ready. These tokens are necessary for the creation and resource allocation of your wallet, covering CPU, net, and RAM. For Step 3, it's time to create your wallet with a custom name. Head over to names.waxdao.io, select Buy, and choose the Lewd name for your wallet. When filling out the wallet creation form, check the availability of your desired name, which can be up to 7 characters long, using letters A to Z or numbers 1 to 5. Confirm the availability of your chosen .lewd name. Next, input your public owner and public active keys in the designated fields. Now, let's handle the ingredients for your wallet creation. Under Fungible Ingredients, select the required 5 WAXP tokens. For NFT ingredients, click Scan Wallet to select and confirm the NFT you wish to burn. Double-check all entered details for accuracy, then click Buy and confirm the transaction to finalize the creation of your custom-named .lewd wallet. The custom name wallet is now created. Lastly, Step 4 is about integrating your new wallet with Anchor. Click on the wallet icon at the top and select Manage Wallets. Choose Import Account, then Import an existing account, followed by Import Private Key. While both the owner and active private keys have significant roles for daily operations and transactions, using the active private key is recommended. Select the matching account, import it, and authorize the action with your password. And there you have it. Your personalized Lewd wallet is ready for use. Thank you for following this tutorial. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask. Enjoy your new wallet, and see you in our next video.